What's up, YouTube? Today is the day. I am so pumped up. Today is the day I've been waiting for all summer long. Today is delivery day. Well, shed delivery day, not baby delivery day. We're not having any more kids. At least, not today. Anyways, if you've been following along with us on this shed project, first we got the area laid out and measured out, and then we had the concrete crew come in and pour in a reinforced concrete slab. And then we repaired the damage to the lawn where they had to do their work. So today, all that's left is to sweep off this slab and get it ready to go, and then, hurry up and wait. So let's get to work.
don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh my god, don't drop it, don't drop it. Oh, this is fine. This is fine. It's fine. He knows it. This is gonna be fine. Pretty cool though. Oh jeez.
Next to my marriage and my kids being born, this is like one of the best days of my life. All right, there you have it, folks. The Dreamer 12 by 16 shed from Everlast Buildings. 192 square feet of beautiful. So happy with this thing. I went with the double dormers on each side, and that gives me plenty of natural sunlight, so I don't have to have any lights on during the daytime in there. We'll do a full shed tour. I'll show you the inside after I have a chance to set it up in there, get some shelves and some workbenches in place, and maybe we'll do a little video series on that. So thanks for hanging out with us. Please click the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the backyard. Oh my God, that shed is beautiful.